Hello student, this is Kimi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous lectures, we will discuss about the examples of probability. Today we will also discuss the example of probability in which two coins are tossed. So, if the two coins are tossed, what are the total number of outcomes? The formula is 2 raised to power n, where n is number of times coin is tossed, which is 2. So 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. So total outcomes are 4. So what are the total outcomes? That is, first time both are head come, next head or tail, next first tail will become, then head will become, next both tail will come. So these are the 4 outcomes when the two coins are tossed. So first example, you have to find the probability of one head, number of favorable outcomes. And what are favorable outcomes? In which one head is occur? So cases are this one and this one, that is head tail and tail head. So favorable outcomes are 2. Probability of one head, that is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Next case is 2 tail. So favorable outcomes are in which 2 tails are occur, that is TT. So probability of 2 tail, which is equal to 1 upon 4. Number of favorable cases is 1 and total number of cases are 4. Next example, no head. So in which no head is occur, that is only this one case, that is TT. Probability of no head becomes number of favorable cases divided by the total number of cases. Next is at least one head. So it is a different example. At least one head. So it means you have to take that case one head only occur, but condition is at least. So meaning of at least is कि आपके पास एक हेड तो होना ही चाहिए. मैक्सिमम आपके पास कितने भी हेड हो सकते हैं उस केस में. सो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल केसेस आर हेड टेल बिकॉज वन हेड इज हेयर. नेक्स्ट इज टेल हेड in which this head is here. Next is in which 2 heads are also possible. So number of favorable outcomes becomes 3 and total number of outcomes are 4. Next case is at most one head. Now meaning of at most one head means you have to take maximum one value, minimum is 0. So favorable cases are head tail, tail head and tail tail. In these cases only one head is occur and in this case 0 head is occur. So number of favorable outcomes are 3 and total number of outcomes are 4. So probability becomes 3 upon 4. Next case is exactly one head. Exactly one head. So that case is this one, head tail and tail head. Exactly means you have to take only one head, neither 0 nor 2. So number of favorable outcomes are 2. Probability of exactly one head is number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. So this is a different example in which two coins are tossed.